Hey dudes and chicks, and neither if those rules don't apply to you. Welcome to Makeup for Lost Time. My name is Katie. Thank you so much for joining me today. In this video, I'm going to be popping the Sugarpill Pink Edition Capsule, #1 edition from the Capsule collection. It's the Pink Edition. The color story looks like this, and if you like to watch, then stay with me. So apparently this big pink shadow in the biggest shadow in here is a blush, and I actually forgot to use it, and I already used blush, and so I put this over the top of it, and I really like the color of it. So I'm actually gonna go, I'm actually gonna start by using this blush color and run it all through my crease, and it's the shade Melody, and I'm using my Morphe JH32. And I'm already primed with my P. Louise base. Ooh, I love that. Oh my goodness. Seriously? It's been a while since I used this brush. It's pretty, seems really like not that dense. Man, you really just can't go wrong with this color. You could put it on all day. Now I'm just going to run that along my lower lid. I actually put P. Louise primer on my lower lid. I've been doing that lately. I don't know why. I'm actually going to use a little bit smaller, not even a little bit. I'm going to use a lot of a bit smaller, denser brush. I'm going to use my Morphe JH39, this pencil brush. Doesn't matter what pencil brush you use. I just want to get this darker right here because this is actually going to be the main color along my lower lid. That's amazing. I'm going to use the color Glory right here, this lighter pink, to blend out that outer, to just blend this out. And I'm not exactly sure if that is a lighter pink. Seems a little more, oh yeah, it is a lighter pink. It's just a little dusty and a little light. Just great for blending this out. And then my Morphe JH33, and I'm going to use the color Baby Doll, this light purple, to blend out that lower lid. And I'm just going to cute. I want a little bit of a denser brush. I'm going to use my Zoeva 227, and I'm going to go back into the color, what is the name of this color again? Melody, the blush color, and just pack this. And then back into the color Glory to blend it out. Okay, so, and actually what I've decided, and I actually decided this before I even did this look, is I'm going to use my Zoeva 232, this flat shader, and I'm going to use the color, the blush color, Melody, along my lid, just packing that on there. And then I'm going to use my Kaleidos S4 to place NYX Glitter Primer across that. I gotta be careful, I don't want to pull any of that color up. Okay, and now I'm going to use the color Supernova with the my Zoeva 232. And I'm just gonna pack that all across my lid. Man, that looks super pretty. I'm just curious to see what happens if I use my finger. Oh. I'm rarely disappointed by a hand job, just saying. That is fucking beautiful. I'm actually just gonna quickly, okay, so with my Zoeva 238, it's just this tiny, tiny, tiny. I'm gonna use that color Supernova, and I'm gonna go in on the lower lid to kind of just tie that pink in with that purple down there. Where's my spray? As you guys can see, I rearranged everything. I have a whole new setup. So I just use a little bit of spray because I'm just curious, right? I just want to see like what this palette could do. Quite frankly, I did not get this palette based on like what I've seen people do with it. Like, don't get me wrong, I've loved everything that I've seen people do with it, but it would not have mattered. I could not resist these capsule edition palettes. Like, I just couldn't resist them. They're too fucking cool. Luckily, they're good too. And with my Zoeva 227, I'm just gonna go back into that blush color. And finally with that my Zoeva 238, that tiny, tiny brush again, I'm gonna use the color Dream State for my inner corner highlight. And probably to highlight my brow bone as well. I am absolutely in love with this look. Super simple. Took me 0 amount of time. Oh my gosh. I can't stop. Okay. I just want to try something really quickly. I'm going to just tap this lightly over the center of my lid. And then lightly, I'm going back into that. Not that lightly. I'm really late getting these looks posted because we got these adorable little baby kittens. They're so cute. I would show them to you right now, but they are the sweetest little angels. Anyway, I'm gonna go complete this look and I'll be right back. Hi guys, so this is the final look. Let me know what you think in the comments. Hang out with me down there. I used my LA Girl Neon Shockwave lip liner in the color Blaze on my waterline, and I used, what else did I use? I used my brand new Ofra liquid lip in the color Wonderland. I got this from somebody who is kind of becoming my like YouTube friend. Her name is Anki. Her channel is Makeup by Anki. She's from Norway. She's from Norway, and her and I kind of communicate back and forth, and so she wears this lipstick and I was like, fuck, I'm getting that shit immediately. And so thank you for that referral. And then I use my Rouge and Rogue eye wigs in Mega Babe, and yeah, I love this. It was super simple, super easy to do, fast. I'm actually like totally in love with this. I can't believe how easy it was to create that look. And also I'm like inspired to do a few others. So you guys may see a 2 or 3 looks, 1 palette on this. Yeah, I think I look amazing. I look like the beautiful fairy queen that I am. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you can see every time I upload. Hang out with me in the comments and like this video if you like this look, or if you like my shit talk or my sparkling personality and my boyish charm. You guys could have been anywhere, but you were spending your time here with me, and I appreciate you so much. And these babies. Bring that baby over here. Look at this sweet baby.
Mom, she slept right here for like an hour. Right here.
This is Gamora. And the other one. Look at say hi. Say hi to everyone. These are our sweet new babies that we got on quarantine. These are our quarantine babies. Oh, we got sisters. Oh, look at that darling little girl. All right, set them free. All right, I love you guys so much. I totally appreciate your time. Bye.